Get a little R&R. Ha! Humans, I have my memory card today. Memory card, I don't really need it. I'm working on that. I'm gonna work on Sheila. Gonna do some stuff to those two things. That's it. That's what I'm doing. So, see some updates. See what goes on with that car. I'm an idiot. Did I ever tell you guys I'm not too bright? Always pouring gas in the carburetor to get it to run and to move, to get it run to move. Check the gas tank. Empty. Put gas in it, filled up the bowls in the front, then put gas in it, a few gallons. Runs fine. I gotta fix the brake line. Now that we get no inspections in New Hampshire, I can drive this thing. All that squeaking, half the body bolts were loose. Well, now that I put gas in the gas tank and it runs, I was gonna sell this one. Maybe I'll keep it. I'm gonna make it the way I want it to make it. Oh, I have a whole pile of stuff over there I'm throwing away. And I gotta stop throwing stuff away. Because this is all the wires are all ripped out of this. This is my power window. So I go over there and I find it in the pile. I was gonna throw it away. That's what I do. See, there's a new one. Let's see. Is this thing is, I put gas in the gas tank. Now look, don't even touch the gas, nothing. Starts right up. Starts right up. Gonna finish the exhaust on it. I'm gonna be driving this thing on Tuesday. Monday's a holiday. Check all the lights, see what I'm missing. Obviously I'm missing some of those. Missing headlight. Couple headlights, both of them. Missing some stuff. I know where I'm stealing it from. This one's running. Looks like this. Pop that. Good thing I have parts cars. Can't sell anything. Oh, and I'm fixing this. These are the door panels. They're a mess. Put some seam sealer in there. Figure that, whatever. I'm just gonna fix it enough so that I can get it to work. Glue it all back together. Paint holes in them, so I figured I'd just paint these things tan to match the inside of the rest of that car. Also, I put brake fluid in it to see which line is gone, because I told one of the brake lines is gone. I don't know which one, because I believe I don't have any brakes. I believe I don't have anything. I just need to bleed them. Maybe that's the problem. Okay, the tree looks good. Okay, first thing in the morning, let's see. I'm gonna try this car out again. Let's see if this still starts with just by turning the key overnight. Let's see. What do you guys think? Nope. No, it needs a pump. That's too bad. I'm gonna find out what's doing that squeak, but yeah, 3 little pumps and it runs. Not bad. There you go. Stole a headlight. Sheila's over there. So I stole a headlight, and now I got a grill, stealing it off other cars. Gotta do what I gotta do. Found the rubbers that go in here, like that. Found 2 of those, 1 for each side. Debating on what to do with the window. See how scratched the window? I don't know if you can see that. I have more glass upstairs, a ton of it. Tinted glass as I trip. This window's really scratched to heck. I could replace the window. I have glass upstairs. This is on Sheila, finding all the pieces. I'm gonna paint the insides of the rims blue. I was just kind of testing the color, see if I liked it. Doing that, I found a shaker that actually fits pretty good. This is off that 301 car. It's just, they put these aftermarket carburetors on it. Just a little low. If I could just get this to sit up just a little bit, so I'm gonna go look for a spacer for that in a little bit. Then I'll sandblast all this, clean that thing up nice. Then I'll have a shaker that'll work. And find some parts for this car too. I was missing this piece. You can see it. I was missing this piece here. Goes up in this corner right here for trim. I almost threw it away. I used it in my throwaway pile because that's what I do. But anyways, now I have that piece to go in there. So maybe this week I'll sandblast all the rims on this car, get those ready. Like I said, Tuesday we'll be running that sucker. Dan's gonna come over. We're gonna fix the brakes this weekend. And this one's close too. I could almost run this one. I gotta find a plate. I gotta get a plate for it. I think my wife wants wait for me on hers, but the car looks really nice. I'd much rather play with these cars. Much rather play with these cars. I'm having fun today. Oh look, Hornets. I hate Hornets. Having fun though. Problem is I start working on these cars and I start falling in love with them again, so maybe Flipper's not gonna be a Flipper after all. Man, I'm just gonna keep everything. What the heck, right? It's a solid car. I might as well keep it, right? There's nothing wrong with it. It runs beautiful now. That one too. Keep everything. Why so? I'll be like Dan. Dan just keeps everything. So I'm gonna back over this car again. Sheila. I gotta get some bulbs. So I gotta take all these bulbs out. They're all broken. They're all crap. Just gonna get some new ones at the parts store. Not that parts store. Not up there. The real parts store. So I just remembered I have a stash of bulbs. I just found all the bulbs I need. Look at them all. So I found an old ring for one of those big round headlights. I cut it because I need a spacer. That's about all I need for a space. And I put some slices around the ends. And I'm gonna, I'll make it the right size. I'm using this as my template here. I'll make it the right size, and that will be my spacer. Got moss growing in the car, on the car. Guess I don't use this very much, do I? So I sandblasted everything, epoxy primed everything. I just painted it all right there. Got this all done too, the shaker and stuff. For Sheila, epoxy primed that and painted that, hung it up. See that hinges? It's got a spring in it. These two don't. These two, I'm gonna hold the hood on that car, so I'm gonna put some pins in the front of it. So what's the difference between plastic leather prep and vinyl prep? Not super sure, but this softens the material so it'll stick. And I've used this on like raw bumpers and stuff like that. Scuffing my door panels down for the Camaro out there, that one over there. So I'm scuffing these down, they're just junky core. Scuffed it with this first. I rinsed them all off. Spray this on there. I'm gonna refinish them with some of this stuff here for the interior. I think I'll use this. Why not? I know it's got speaker holes cut in it. I got a speaker hole to cover that, and that should be good enough for this car. Good. Took about 1.5 cans, I would say. Aren't they pretty? We started doing the brakes. I need a wheel cylinder. Would have showed you Dan, but he doesn't like to be on camera. All right, so this right here. Okay, it goes down here. I don't know what it connects to. It just kind of sits there. Look at that. If you know me, this doesn't happen very often. So I had to fix the bottom of the seat, all the wires, and I didn't show you that either because I don't know. I get into it and I don't think about it. Imagine how good this show would be if I remembered to show you guys stuff. Humans, thanks for watching. Got my memory card here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment to somebody else's channel. And did you guys enjoy the show? It was a bonus, I guess, this week. We're gonna put the rest of that, put the headlights in that thing. Get that thing on the road Tuesday, don't forget. Okay. If you didn't like it, the show, there's nothing I can do about it. Have a good one.